I'd like to thank Mr. Swaminathan and Hema Krishnamurthy once again for the wonderful program that they created. I'd like to thank our art teacher, Mr. Shankar, who was responsible for making the teachers who helped him alongside Sujata, Shrinis, Sudha Nayak, Kanchana, Gomati, Rama, Anika Kumari, Meera, Deepa, Meena, Priya, and Afroz. Please give them also a big round of applause. The props were created by Pushpa, Vijayalakshmi, and Preeti. Manati and Sharad helped with the songs. Mr. Sriram helped with the audio. I'd also like to thank two students of class grade 8, Vishal and Sharan, who helped in editing the songs for us. A big thanks to Ravi Varman for organizing the stage and giving us this wonderful ambience. We'd like to thank Mrs. Renuka Ramesh, a parent of ours, who helped us with all the beautiful costumes that we saw. A big thanks to all the teachers who helped the kids with their lovely makeup as well. Last but not the least, I'd like to thank Aparna, our coordinator for the primary, for taking up the whole thing and coordinating with each and every person to make this a grand success. Once again, a big round of thanks for all the teachers for helping the children with all this. And not to forget our Ravi Shankar and Sophia, who came to give you the introduction to the participants as well. A special thanks to Nakul and Anand for playing the drums. I'd like Mr. Swaminathan to come and talk a few words about how he went about directing the play.
Thank you, Sudhar. I would like to begin with thanking all the teachers here. I have received excellent support. I have been a little tense because I don't think I have the teaching experience to actually take in so much of chaos that is there. But the teachers have been of excellent support in helping me handle the chaos. The first time Raji came and asked me if I can do this play, I said yeah, sure. I was like very happy to accept this. And then I said, so how many students are we thinking? Maybe 20? She said no, higher. So 30, a bit more. And finally she said 150. So I almost fainted. So this play I have done twice with school children so far. Once with 15 kids, I think. The other time with 20-25 kids. So this is the first time I'm doing with 150 kids over 2 days. So thankfully I got so much of support from all the teachers here of special mention. So we decided to include a lot of music. Now that I think about it, I think that I should have included more music in the play. The children are so wonderful performing, dances. Thanks so much to Hema for coordinating, and she's been of great support for us all. So every time I do this play, two things strike me quite a bit. First thing is that this play brings all of us to the same level. It makes us all children, and it makes us all mad, like the Cheshire Cat says. And so that makes a lot of things easy, actually. So parents, teachers, and children can share a space almost as equals. So that is the first message that I get from this play. And thanks to Louis Carroll for bringing out such a subtle message through this work. So every time I have done this through the practice sessions here at HLC, there are some videos of it which I was, Anita auntie shared with me, and I was watching that. So in all those videos, of our practice sessions, what I find is that there is so much to learn from the children actually. So we can come in thinking that we are teachers. I'm going to teach theater here, but it has mainly been a big learning experience for myself. Learning each and every bit. I can take a few names who have taught me a lot, who played today. Humpty Dumpty, the Dormouse. I learned a lot from them. How their energy levels have changed from the time they began to the time of the show. And every time all of us feel tired, all of us teachers and myself feel tired, the one thing that has always prepped us up is the enthusiasm and the energy levels of the children. So thank you all. Thank you for all the children who have done such a great job here. Thank you so much.